Hi there, folks. This is not directly related to Maya. It's Alchemist, Substance Alchemist. And you probably know that I like this basically very fresh program. And this is not inviting, what I'm showing you now, but it will be just in a second. Oh, let's get closer here. I won't tell you what that is, what you see in the background, this bluish, whatever, box-like thing. All I'm going to tell you is it's a squeezed photograph I took. And here you see dirt and water. And let's first of all reduce the dirt. And you see the sun is coming out and it shines on that surface. Now let's reduce it even further, like this. So we have less dirt now and lots of water reflecting here. And let's select the water now. The water level is maximum, it's high. You can see that it's, when you go to the border here, this is the water level. And now we'll reduce the water level by reducing this number. And you see that the water is going back. I love this program just because of the water effect. It's so amazing, really. And here you see the displacement of this image. Really beautiful. When you reduce the water level totally, you get this image, which is quite different from the first one I showed you. A little bit of water, you know? And you see from the environment, nice reflections indeed. More dirt? Absolutely. And of course you can use this as a weaving on cloth. So it's a nice piece of cloth now. And you can export it. This is the export button here. I made several tutorials about how to get this into Maya. Bye bye.